The white spots and white lines on your child's teeth are not stains. What if I tell you that is the starting of a dental decay? Most often, parents attribute a hole in the tooth to tooth decay. But a tooth decay does not begin as a cavity. It actually initiates with the presence of white spot lesions, which signifies the decalcification of your tooth structure. Now, the white, dull, chalky areas that develop on your child's tooth are the white spot lesions. Now, white spot is attributed to the process of decalcification where your tooth structure is silently losing its mineral reserves of calcium and phosphates. Now, what actually happens is it is the acid that is produced by the bacteria constantly acting on the sugar exposures that is targeting your tooth's mineral. So, just to imagine about it, your tooth is silently dissolving underneath while the surface is still intact. So once your mineral content is lost over the threshold, that is when the actual cavity manifests. Now, the common reasons for the development of white spot lesion could be nighttime feeding, bottle feeds, constant sugar exposure, frequent snacking, improper brushing, constant accumulation of plaque over time. But the critical point that parents need to bear in mind is a white spot lesion is 100% reversible. Let me highlight that. So it is our responsibility to identify these white spot lesion, take the necessary care so that it doesn't get converted into a full-blown cavity, making the entire process absolutely painless with no need for drilling or filling. You should be very prompt in identifying these at home. They typically appear white, dull, chalky. Along the gum line, the tooth basically loses its glossy appearance and sheen. Now, what you need to do is you do not have to wait for pain. That is the golden rule. Report early to your pediatric dentist, seek professional help. You need to reinforce and strengthen this structure, the surface layer, with the help of preventive care and through remineralization. Improvise on the brushing techniques and seek dietary guidance. So the white spot is just not a mark. It's early enamel decalcification. The good news, it's 100% reversible. The bad news, only if you act in time. Not sure what you're seeing in your child's mouth? Don't worry. Take a picture, drop it in our comment box, and I'll help you see what's actually happening.